So today we're going to do two vehicles with kind of an issue when it comes to carbon buildup, and this is very popular when it comes to that. The S4 with the V8 4.2, and of course the RS4 too. It always needs those carbon cleans. And my other vehicle, which I'll do shortly also, which is very popular to carbon buildup. Yes, they love it. So we'll go with the liquid moly, the valve clean. Why not? Let's get it going. And let's do everything we can for kind of preventative maintenance. This vehicle here has 88,000 miles, so probably does have quite a bit of carbon buildup as it is. Oh, the money pit begins. Well, you know what? Still impressed. Stupid aftermarket radios, trust me. I'm never one. This is why every time I looked at this car and it came up a marketplace, I kept passing it by. Well, two things. This and this. Automatic. Hate it. But, you know what? I had to take the car. It was well worth it. Even so, and there's a nightmare back here too. What do I do with that flashlight? There it is, all the way over here. Engine's decent. Yeah, I'll tackle this. Probably replace the coils, spark plugs. But what's really bothering me, of course, the top doesn't work. It works somewhat. Somebody put in a ghetto ass system. I'm gonna have to rip this all out. This is all broken, unfortunately. The guy who owned it before me, he didn't put this in. It was here already. So that's a part of the Pioneer. Look, I could tell. Damn, it's like so much wiring. Look at this here. Oh, hold on. Sorry about that. You got nightmare wire here, but this is a real nightmare. Check this out. This audio file here, somehow. Oh, yes. They cut a whole bunch of wires here. This is going to be a lot of fun to figure out. Look at this. I don't think it's the worst thing in the world, actually. You know what? I don't think it's that bad. Plus, I know somebody who could actually do this. Choppy, this guy. He's a beast with it when it comes to wiring and figuring things out. Look at this nice wire here. It's live, too. But some stuff taped off. This, I would presume, that goes to the Bose amp. There you go. You know, me looking at this stuff, it's not that bad to me because I know Audis. You know what I mean? Now, have I ever owned a convertible? No. Audi, at least? No. So that's the part. But a lot of the stuff does look familiar to me, so I'm not super duper scared of it. A lot of things just need to be ripped out and then put back to factory. And that is my goal, to put this guy back to factory. You see that wire under there too. There's wires running this way. The radio works somehow, but it's just terrible. I'm sorry. Do not want to... Oh, look at that. It's even got a microphone there. I never even saw that. Hold on. It's got this nonsense passport. He didn't put that in either. I don't know what somebody was smoking when they put... Excuse me. When they zip tied this together. Look at the unit in there. Those things don't even work. You're better off just using Waze to figure out where the cops are, which that's what I do. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So, first night, ripping the car apart.